Good day, everybody. Mike Flores here, local Las Cruces Realtor and new home expert. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're about to tour a Monarch home that's just less than 2 years old. It's beautiful. In Metro Verde on the East Mesa of Las Cruces, close to Red Hawk Golf, just over 2,300 square feet, 4-bedroom with a study, 3 full bathrooms, 2-car garage, and let me tell you, this home is absolutely stunning. Take a look at this. Starting off with the outside, this front landscaping has had some time to mature. Just in a short, less than 2-year span, you get a chance to see the bushes and the foliage mature. On top of that, I know that the homeowners added some extra boulders, some extra design work, and this is just very, very nice. No immediate backyard neighbors, no immediate side neighbors. You're very close to a park, no HOA. This one is priced at $485, folks. I'll tell you this, to build one of these brand new, you're at base price gonna be probably about that or even more. And this is not a base price home. Beautiful outside traditional look, 8-foot garage doors. You have these coach lights going all the way across. You have these windows in here, giving you that nice light. Just to give you a size reference of how big this is. Arch tile up top. Very, very nice front patio. As you can see, you have plenty of space for furniture. Spend a little bit of time here. In fact, you can actually see the entrance to a park right there. And that park is very large. Behind that home there's a very large park that continues across this street and it goes all the way down this way. Very nice for evening use, day use. And of course, right now it's absolutely beautiful with all the weather. 8-foot by 42-inch front door with speakeasy glass. You got a plug-in drop chandelier for the outside, keyless entry, video doorbell. And this line of product from Monarch Homes is one of my favorites. It's called the MC2 product, which is their luxury line. So 16-foot entrance, which makes an 8-foot door look so small, but it's so nice. You have a drop chandelier, 2 fixed windows up top, arch soffits in this one, a very light tannish gray, almost like a grayish color. And we're not gonna go into the garage, folks, because there are some boxes in there, but the garage is completely painted, insulated, comes with a garage door opener, it has shelving in there. It's everything you could expect that would come with a Monarch home. Now, this is an ensuite. So typically going into here, there would have been just an opening here with a bathroom and a bedroom and a linen closet. Now, this was modified or customized to make this an ensuite. So it gives this entire area basically its own apartment feel. And it's really nice. 10-foot ceilings in here, 8-foot doors. Got your fan, you got a walk-in closet. I think this is about a queen bed. It does have a full-size dresser and even a nightstand over there. You got your fan with a remote control. Very, very handy. It does have an operable window. That does have a nice view of the front landscaping as well. This is gonna be a linen closet, and then this would be the bathroom inside the ensuite. Very, very nice. So a lot of the finishes, like us builders haven't seen in a while because everything changes so much, and this is a beautiful slate tile. I mean, all the way up to the 10-foot ceilings, nice satin nickel schluterings, satin nickel faucets, 2 wet nichos with deco, very nice cast iron tub, just a beautiful display. And then over here you have painted gray cabinetry with satin nickel hardware. You got knobs for the doors and handles for the drawers, under-mounted rectangular sink, and then of course satin nickel finishes on the lighting and the faucet. Frameless pop-out mirror, I love those. But this is its own space, which is really, really handy for a lot of different reasons. Arch soffits going into this way. Now here is the study, and it could be used for an office, a study, a living room, a formal dining room. I've seen a lot of different designs for this, but plenty of space in here. You even have a space to even make it, if you want a hybrid of both, a little bit of office, a little bit of play, a little bit of relaxation. Nothing wrong with that. Extra lights in here. You got the fan, you got the 2 doors with the glass, 8-foot doors. Let me Before we go in there, let's look back this way. Look at those two nichos. And the nichos, of course, have the deco inside, and then you have the ledging with the quartz to match what was in the bathrooms. Smart thermostat. Laundry room with upper and lower cabinetry, sink, washer and dryer. Got undermount lights. It's a very, very nicely equipped home and has been very, very well taken care of. I mean, we delivered this home just less than 2 years ago, and let me tell you, it looks like the day we delivered. I think it might even look better. 2 bedrooms here and a bathroom, very similar to bathroom number 1 in the ensuite. That slat tile or slate tile that goes all the way up, the 10-foot ceilings. Kind of in a brick formation, elongated tile. Beautiful stuff. And then 2 guest bedrooms here. Both, if my memory is correct, 11 by 11 and a half and 11 by 12. Again, 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings. You got the fans, you got a window to meet egress, all the blinds are there. Now, I know this home has a Marvin door in the back, and they put a custom blind system in there. And I know those are not inexpensive to do. It's very, very nice, and I'm scared to even touch it, but I'm gonna show it to you. The 10-foot ceilings, same exact finishes as all 3 of the bedrooms. All about the same size too, 11 by 11, 12 by 12. And I mean, look at this presentation, walking out of the guest suites. Got the really decorative nicho, got the study off the side, and then it just explodes into this. Kitchen, I mean, where do I even start? Very large island. You got double stack upper kitchen cabinetry, you got lower cabinetry, all satin nickel finishes, complete gourmet kitchen with the gas cooktop, 36-inch, if I might add. You have the 36-inch shroud that goes up and out. Then you have the built-in oven and microwave, and then undermount lights. And then the top cabinetry has that glass all the way around with the lights inside of it. And then you got the pantry glass door. And I'm not sure, I'd have to ask the listing agent if it does come or if it conveys with the refrigerator, but I might say this is actually really pretty. It matches the LG appliances over there. There is a trash can pullout over here, along with recycle. Got your dishwasher, got your Blanco sink, floating garbage disposal switch here, and then a smart faucet. Gotta turn it on first. Very nice. Pendant lights. And then, I mean, the view from here, you've got the dining room here, very large dining room actually. It's very nice and open. You can see how they decorated it. You have that drop ceiling, that beautiful floating tray with a light in it. And they painted it a darker color to give it a contrast, then dropped that real pretty chandelier there. That window there is like a 5x5. It's a huge fixed window that gives you a lot of natural light. For the video, what we did is we just opened up the front, the back blind system, but we left all the rest of them closed. That way you can actually see more detail of how this home looks. It's beautiful, folks. It's about to hit the market. By the time this video is up, actually it will be on the market. Got a fireplace here. Now, the really cool defining part of this entire area is going to be the ceiling itself, the transition from a 10-foot to a 12-foot. Then you have beams that run across, helicopter fan, three LED lights on each side of that fan, and then you have this fireplace with a lit Blanco, and that Blanco is quartz, matches the same quartz as the actual kitchen and the bathrooms, but you have that slate tile again, that beautiful stuff going all the way up to the 12-foot ceilings. I mean, what a focal point. Very beautiful, lots of space. And if I might add, the owners that own this home, my hat's off to you on your choice of colors, of how your furniture and stuff just really complements the home. And I should say the home complements your choices of furniture because this is really beautiful stuff. Now, going into the master suite, you're going into a 10-foot ceiling with about an 11-foot or a 10.5-foot tray. They've got paint all the way around the actual bottom part of the shelf, and then there's actually a hidden light going all the way around. Now, there's a reason we're not going into any of the closets, folks. I assure you the closets are very similar to what you've seen in the Monarch Home videos before. You can always visit other videos and take a look at that to get reference, but we will show you every other part of it. Very, very, very large master suite. That's a king bed, maybe even a California king. And I mean, you have lots of room for, you got a vanity over there, you got a very large dresser over here, you got a place to sit down over here, you have another dresser there, and then 2 nightstands. And still have plenty of room to walk around. It's very well done. Again, my compliments about the colors. Very, very well done. 8-foot barn door with all the hardware and all the fixings to match everything. You got a reading room that's closed off. And then you got all this. I mean, this is like the spa bathroom design of all of Monarch's roster. It's got the huge soaker tub. You have your vanity, your 2 sinks, all the cabinetry, floating mirrors, drop lights, and then a massive 10 by 4.5 shower with matching shower heads, matching nichos, matching benches. You got the glass shroud with all the beautiful, look at this line, look at all the defining lines they did. I mean, just masterful. And then of course the frameless glass door to finish it all off. Very easy to present these homes, let me tell you. Look at this coming out of the master suite. Not a bad thing to look at every time you come out. Now, this is a Marvin door with wood cladding inside and fiberglass outside. It does come with the actual screens, and it opens up similar to a French, but it slides instead of open. So it slides open, about 6 foot wide. It's 8 foot tall, of course, and then you have this covered patio. You have another fireplace. That fireplace actually lights up in the rock, and it actually has gas to actually have a flame, and it's actually a flueless or a chimneyless type fireplace system. What the benefit to that is, first of all, you don't have any smoke from this. It's completely smokeless, but the fire stays here, so the heat stays here. If you had a chimney, what happens is all the heat goes through the chimney and up and out because heat naturally rises. Now, this is already set up for a place to put a TV. You have a very large amount of concrete. They've stained the concrete, and they put some extra pavers here to put a little smoker. And what a nice setup indeed. Very close to everything, but far enough to not hear everything. This is a wonderful neighborhood. Look at these planters they put in. Got the lantanas and the succulents. Very, very beautiful. Well, folks, like I said at the end of all the videos, I really appreciate everybody for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I have. And please subscribe. And if you have any questions about Las Cruces Real Estate anywhere, give me a call. Thank you.